Hey everyone, Daniel Marchena here from XDATV, and if you're like me, you like your launchers to just work. Well, I like launchers that have tons of bells and whistles. I like it to also be plain, fast, and fluid, and that's what I've come to expect from my Nova launcher and the stock launcher on my OnePlus 6 and OnePlus 6T. The folks at Hyperion reach out to us. They're some of the same folks behind Andromeda and Substratum to check out a brand new update for the Hyperion launcher, so that's what we're going to do. Hyperion is brought to us by the same people that do Substratum and Andromeda, and that theming experience can be seen throughout the UI. You can set custom colors with custom opacity through an alpha slider for almost anything on the launcher, including fades in your app drawer. When it comes to iconography, Hyperion offers a similar amount of icon adjustments, including size, icon packs, drawing behind legacy applications, but it also allows you to choose and customize your icon packs right from the lock screen, which is really cool. And on the theme of iconography, you can also change the font on the home screen. Through the interface tweaks in the settings menu, you can show and hide applications, lock applications using your fingerprint on your device with custom lockout settings, which I find awesome. You don't just have to put your fingerprint every single time you open it, you can set a 5-minute window before it locks. You also have a large amount of options to make the dock exactly how you want it. You can add the Google feed to the left of the main screen and customize the drawer interface and even add tabs to make your sorting applications easy. Hyperion also allows you to do things you've come to expect from your launcher, like have gestures for various activities, adjust animations, customize the Google widgets and the calendar for the home screen, and more. But here is where I think Hyperion really shines, is that everything we just discussed can be changed on the fly through saved profiles. Do you have a boss that's over your shoulder, or a temptation to open social media apps at work, or you just want your work hours to be work hours and your home hours to be home hours? All you need to do is save your primary profile, reset your desktop in the application, and create an entirely new one and then save that. And then you can easily toggle between the two in the settings menu. Now this isn't just a theming thing either. Your application, settings, and wallpaper, pretty much everything you set through the Hyperion app can be toggled with these profiles. This includes hiding applications, so you can even have your app drawer free of all distractions when you have your work hours set. So is the Hyperion launcher the perfect launcher? Well, it really depends on what you need. If extensive theming capabilities, a stock foundation, and profile support are what you need, I definitely encourage you to check this out. Now, I thank the Hyperion team for reaching out to us here at XDA Developers and allowing us to look at a pre-release build of their brand new update, as well as some premium keys to enjoy everything Hyperion had to offer. There's a link in the video description on how you can get the Hyperion launcher on your device today. Now, if you're not already subscribed to XDA Developers, I encourage you to do so, and make sure you turn on that notification bell so you get notified of every single video we put out here. Leave a like if you enjoyed this video. I'm Daniel Marchena for XDA TV, and I'll see you next time.